Now, children, today let's start with chapter number 11, that is India, UN, and World Peace. So, our country was called Golden Bird. Let's learn in this chapter about UN and World Peace. So, India has been a peace loving country since prehistorically. It wants that all countries of the world should live how peacefully and cooperate one another in their economic and social recognition. So, it does not like any type of prejudice among the people or among the communities. So, here are some country. Here our country was called Golden Bird because we have number of scholars and saints that were born. So, they spread message of peace, non-violence and truth thought throughout the world, and you will study this chapter about contribution of India to be the peace of world. Now, India and UN. India being a member of UN, since its inspection, it signs UN character in 1945. Although India was not an independent country at the time, but still British authorized India to join AOI. India was elected as a member of the Security Council and it's participated actively in many parts of programs like UNESCO, WHO, UNICEF and FAO and ICO. Many Indians occupied places of importance in UN, like we have Vijayalakshmi Pandit, elected as the first woman president of UN General Assembly, and when 1953. Indians have been working very effectively in the various organs and agencies of the UN. The help of the UN to India. United Nations also helping India in many ways to carry out welfare programs like UNESCO. It's helping United Nations educational, scientific and cultural program. Many nurses are trained at WHO. FAO farmers को हेल्प कर जाता है जिससे आप एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन को अपने क्या कर सकते हो इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. NAM, that is non-aligned movement. After the Second World War, the world was divided into political blocks, capitalists and socialists. Many Asia African countries got their independence. At that time, USA and the USSR जो थे, they emerged as a two superpower. Both of them wanted to spread their influence in many countries as possible. So the result was either capitalist bloc was headed by USA और सोशलिस्ट को कौन करा था यूएसएसआर. इससे क्या हुआ एक एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ कोल्ड वॉर हुआ इन द वर्ल्ड एंड सम मिलिट्री पैक्ट्स वर मेड सच एज नाटो, नॉर्थ अटलांटिक वार्सो पैक्ट ऑफ कैपिटलिस्ट कंट्री, सोशलिस्ट कंट्री, बट इंडियन remained neutral and did not join the bloc. The movement was based on 5 principles जिनको हम पंच सी कहते हैं, right, which was that is mutual non-aggression, non-interference in each other, equality and mutual benefit, peaceful coexistence, and then mutual respect for each other, territorial integrity and sovereignty. The non-aligned movement was born in September 1961, where the first non-aligned summit was held in Belgrade, Yugoslavia. Right, the first meeting of NAM was attended by only 25 members. Today it has 114 members and most of them are developing countries. ज़्यादातर क्या है आपकी developing countries. Right, this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.